This is what people don't tell you about when you get a 90s car na project, tapos gusto mo yung daily.
So the goal for today pala was to stress test the EK.
So allegedly, okay na yung cooling system. Wow. Saan ko lalagay ito? With signs of pukpok.
Okay, we're road testing it now. Where's the temp gauge? Where's the temp gauge?
I'm just talking, and if you're still watching, what the frick are you doing with your life? Okay guys, we're doing a project car update today, and this is what people don't tell you about when you get a 90s car na project, tapos gusto mo yung daily. So like in the past few months that we've had this EK, hindi pa rin ako confident na i-daily siya. I mean, pwede naman, pero ano, I have to be ready to call AEP feeling ko, or my emotions, my feelings, hindi pa sila jive. Hindi ko pa siya trust. Okay, so first thing that happened was it was overheating. Sira yung rad cap. Pero pinalitan na lang din natin yung buong radiator. So definitely bago na yung rad cap. So now it's full aluminum and it's 1.3 bar na. A yard. And may time din na hindi siya nagsa-start. So na-overhaul na rin yung starter. Look, with signs of pukpok. The engine leaks have also been addressed na rin. Also, part of the overheating issue is yung transmission fluid pala mali. So, regular ATF lang yung nakalagay dito before. So, iba ang ano niya, tawag dito, viscosity, chuchu, whatever. So, it has to be CVTF kasi this is a multimatic na transmission. Meaning, it's a CVT. So, now we're running original Honda CVTF. And we're good na. Tapos, for safety, palit na rin lahat na ang fuel lines sa likod. The engine leaks have also been addressed na din. The power steering has also been overhauled. Medyo gets ko na why people buy brand new cars. And here we are reviewing brand new cars and sticking to this old POS. Okay, so review na lang ulit kung ano to kasi matagal siyang nawala. So this is an EK3. It's a D15. It's automatic. Yeah, let me show you if you don't believe me. It's automatic. Ayan. So, I feel like alam ko rin yung question ng mga tao, bakit automatic, hindi manual? Kasi may EG na tayo, it's gonna be redundant. And this car is a project daily. So, you know, pampakyut lang, something easy to drive. Kaya automatic. So, ayun, we got this car around March, or around right after my birthday. And, ano na ngayon, August na ngayon, and yung palangat na gagawa natin, and I'm still not 100% confident to daily it. Ayun, so that's project car daily life for you. I think I daily this twice. And one of the times hindi na siya nag-start ulit. At yung isang beses nag-overheat siya. So, ayun. So, common issues pala sa EK ang nag-leak siya somewhere up here through the firewall. Kaya nagbabaha sa loob. So, we'll have to address that. I checked this yesterday, or the other day. Ayan, baha siya. Ayan, medyo moist pa siya. So, allegedly, okay na yung cooling system. But sa gauge sa loob, minsan tumataas yung temp erratically. So, for peace of mind, we're gonna be putting this Koso na temp gauge. So, this is from Lazada. I'll link it. And all the stuff you need. And we also have here a 32mm sensor adapter na may kasama ng clamps. Ayan. So, this is like less than 800 pesos. So, the link is in the description. Okay, so our theory is baka grounded lang yung gauge kasi when the temp goes up or spikes, wala naman yung other overheating symptoms like yung bumubulwak or what. Or wala rin yung, alam mo yung amoy overheat. So, wala din siyang ganun. So, we think it's just a gauge. So, we're just adding an extra gauge for peace of mind. A more accurate gauge, if you will. So, huwag na tayo magsinungaling na kunyari ako po mag-i-install, si editor San mag-i-install. So, where does the adapter go? Just there lang. Okay, so while Editor San is doing that, let's do a quick walk around. So right now we're running my old wheels from the Mini. So these are the Rota Slipstreams. These are my first set of aftermarket wheels actually. Ayan. Tapos yung RE003 na to, old track set ng EG. So may life pa naman siya. Kaya pan-daily muna. Tapos, oh my god, did you know, these are power windows. Sobrang saya. Cute. And then si Al, tingnan mo, nilagyan niya ng sticker. Civic Type R. And kompleto natin yung mga badges actually. So we have this one sa side, and we also have the one sa trunk. Ah wait, where's the trunk? Here's the trunk. Ayan, Civic Type R. And if that's not convincing enough, ito pa. Going inside. Aray ko. We also have this 3D Civic Type R badge. Tapos naka-dip din to, ayan. So we get this carbon fiber look. Very cute. Wala na rin yung crusty, musty steering wheel natin. So, in-order natin kay Editor Santong, Momo Monte Carlo. And then, nilagyan ni Al ng NSX horn button. So, if you guys want any of the things I showed you, you can buy it from Al. So, message Syra Ackerman on Facebook if you want an NSX horn button or like this panel over here or the badges and stuff. Ayan. Tapos, pinalitan na rin pala ni Al ng grill tong EK. So, it looks cuter. Here's an old pic for reference. Also, rainy season mod, we changed the wiper blades to PIAA. Ayan, kita ba? Ayan. So, we installed it recently. It's been super nice, super silicone. It deposits silicone sa windshield to make it more hydrophobic. So, right now, I'm still contemplating if I like the bigote look or not. So, ayan, let's use it with like this muna to feel it out. It's cute, pero parang hindi ko alam if trip ko yung bigote, personally. Also, habang busy si Editor San, pakita ko sa inyo ang bisita natin sa bahay. So, Deiji should have been home, pero ang dami pang ginawa sa kanya, so na-delay. So, right now, we have the red devil box dito sa bahay. So, Editor San got it back. Ayan. So, this is a 63T na. Hindi na siya 63NA. And, na-delete yung roll cage. So, this is like a soft, wet noodle. Brown interior. And then, oh my God, sorry yung ingay na susi ko. Andyan na yung, these are, what, Enjoys? Yeah, these are Enjoys. Look at this map light. So cute. If you guys are wondering where my own Lancer is, ito siya sa kabila. Naulanan kasi kaya naka-car cover. So, let's just use it again pag mga Christmas na para hindi sobrang init. Tsaka hindi siya ma-traffic. It hates being stuck in traffic. So, ayan, tago ka muna. So, parang lumalabas Christmas to to January, February car. Tapos tago na siya. So, seasonal car siya. Okay, habang busy pa si Editor San, mag-unbox muna tayo ng stuff and pili tayo ng ilalagay dito sa EK. Let me just sit down muna sa passenger. Oh my God, yung hair ko! Okay, tambay tayo sa loob ng EK kasi ang hangin. Mukha na akong sa dako. Wait lang. Okay, so since it's been raining in Manila at binahang nga yung car, medyo amoy wet siya. And since hindi pa siya dry, we actually can't, seal the stuff yet. So, Band-Aid solution muna. So, we got this from Little Trees. Ayan, let's open it up and pick a scent. So, alam niyo naman na adik-adik ako sa Little Trees. Tapos, aside from the air fresheners, we actually got this from Lazada. So, it's an Ekleva HD card DVR thing. So, meron siyang wireless Apple, CarPlay, Android Auto. And then, we're just gonna try to mock it up later. Madali lang siya kasi yung power niya nakita ko is cigarette lighter. I'll also link this in the descriptions. Ayan. Sorry, one-handed unboxing tayo. Okay, so for the classic trees, so we got classic trees and vent air wraps. Ayan, so we have sober linen. Oh, we also have wild hemp. Oh, interesting, I think. Amoy makahoy na royal pine. Woody royal pine. And we also have gold. So this is one of my favorites also. Tapos pag hindi mo naman trip yung classic trees, you can also get these vent air wraps. So parang clip lang siya and it just goes in sa vent. Cute siya. So we have watermelon, fresh shave, and black ice. So if you're a black ice type of guy, black yung clip. So very discreet siya. So I'm thinking to put watermelon. Para naman happy. Then, ang cute ng pack kasi it's actually, resealable. So we just grab one. This is what the clip looks like. Ayan. Oh my God, it smells like candy. Ayan. Ayan, so if you're into fruity scents, watermelon. Look, there's like a little tree over here. Haha, cute. Ayan, okay, lagay natin. Clip lang, look. And it's not heavy, kaya ano, it doesn't damage your fins. Aircon vent fins. But this is enough for the whole car. And it's cute, it's pink. So each piece would last for up to a month. Kaya, ayan, good for 2 months. Actually, I leave all the little tree stuff dito na lang sa glove box. I might need it. Ayan. Okay, since the wire of the gauge is short, ayan si editor son. Saan naabutin?
Dito.
Ayan.
Dito muna sa nakatapon.
Yeah, pwede rin. Tsaka na natin linisin. Okay, so let's unbox this naman. So this is an Ekleva HD car DVR. Well, that doesn't really describe it much. Anyways, it's like a touchscreen thing na parang piggyback sa head unit mo. And then you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And I got this one specifically kasi it's wireless. So this is the screen. Ayan. Wow. Saan ko lalagay ito? Ayan, that's the screen. And let's check the accessories out to see how to mount it. Okay, so the accessories naman. So we get a... Oh, okay. So we can do a suction mount. So pwede kaya here. Ay, hindi. I was hoping na we mount it here and then it covers the old head unit na lang, but doesn't seem like it's gonna work. Meron din siyang fixed na pandikit. Pwede rin this one. So you have 2 choices of mounting. I think we're gonna go with the suction cup para madaling tanggalin. Non-commitment. Okay, so we have... What is this? Hala! What? What is this? What is this? Wait lang. No way. Is this a ano? Yoy! Oh my God! May kasama siyang backup camera! What? Should we wire it? Well, I think it would be nice to have. Sige, let's think about this. Dito ka muna. And then we also get an aux cable. Tapos, for power naman, ito na siya. We get a... Ayan, cigarette lighter. Okay, anyway, gauge just needs power. And then we're just gonna leave it here. Temporary thing eh. Okay, update the head unit to soften. It's not for the Ekleva, it's for the freaking small gauge. Oh no, it's on. Si editor sana na magpipili sa lalagay kasi pag ako pumili baka sobrang distracting. Tapos, bye-bye daw. O yan! Amazing! Super amazing! Amazing! Okay, I think that may or may not work. Okay, so it's super adjustable naman. It's height tilt adjustable. Ano yan? Steering column. Okay, let's check our temps. Chiring! Okay, we're road testing it now. Ayan. And then, the audio's sakto lang. But the screen is so good. Tapos, temp-wise, 90. Saks lang. Tonk. Okay, stress test update. It works! And match naman siya. Ayan. Also, okay yung screen. Okay, so the goal for today pala was to stress test the EK. And we're just gonna go to the south real quick. We're gonna go to Vapor Monkeys to check the stuff out. And so far, it's been doing okay. We've been stuck in traffic, yung paakyat ng Quezon Ave, the Skyway entry, and hanggang 95, 96 lang yung temps, and then it goes on really quickly na naman, and the gauge is pretty accurate, so happy with that, and it seems like we're holding our temps okay. So yeah. Okay, we have reached Parañaque traffic, and wala, where's the temp gauge? Where's the temp gauge? Where is the temp gauge? Ayun. Ayan, 96. Still okay. It's quite hot today. But, ayan. Stress test. Boy ba? Okay, we're here! Look, it's the race car. Okay, I forgot to do an outro yesterday, but ayan, ganun mag-daily ng project car. Super hassle, and it's really hard to afford the downtime. So, ayan, I bought coffee, and the car was okay until nabali ko yung door handle. So yeah, this is project car life for you. Daan ko na lang lahat ng stuff with the driver's side. Hopefully, hindi ko rin mabali yung
door handle. Come on, please open. Yarn! Okay. So, ayan, nakondem ang passenger side natin. Shucks. Let me just get my stuff. Oh my god, hawak ko pa yung door handle. No! Ayun, so the car runs well naman. It's just the little things. Oh, aircon. Wow! Ayan, okay yung screen by the way. And our temp gauge is also okay. So yeah, in terms of dating a project car, it's actually really a luxury. A luxury in the sense na you have to be able to afford the downtime. So, you have to have extra cars. So, it really makes sense that people buy new cars kasi what you buy is the lack of downtime. But then, that's the problem with project cars kasi they're old, they're brittle, things break, marupok na. So, ayun, it's a luxury. Yes, they can be reliable, they can be tipid, pero it takes a lot of work and you have to be able to afford the luxury of having it down or having downtime. So, ayun, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, or follow us in our other socials. We have Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Ayun, siguro let's do an episode of buying door handle or something. Anyways, thanks for watching. Yun lang. Tututu!